Hi guys, I am back with another video. So today's video is gonna be a full-on cook with me video. I am gonna make a very simple tomato bruschetta. So let's get started. So the ingredients that you are gonna need are tomatoes, onion, garlic, olive oil, salt, chili flakes, cheddar or mozzarella cheese, and basil. So in the UK, it's very easy to find fresh basil. If you don't have any, you can use dry basil or oregano. Doesn't really matter. So let's chop everything to small pieces, starting with the onion. So hard because like the angle of the camera you can't see my face while I'm chopping stuff. The garlic, get this out of the way sebab kacau je. Oh my god, mana letak? Sorry guys, I'm chopping very slowly because my pisau is very tumpul. Okay, now that everything is nicely chopped up, we're gonna put everything in the bowl to mix. Okay, so now we're gonna mix the other ingredients into the bowl. Normally, I put like 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then chili flakes. Salt. Okay, you know what? I forgot to chop the basil. Wait a minute. I'm gonna wash them. So we're gonna put in the basil and then mix everything thoroughly. Smells good already because the basil gives that classic Italian food smell to it. Okay, we're gonna put it aside. Now we're gonna slice our baguette. Ya Allah, si seriously, pisau ni tumpul gila. About this stick, it's actually way easier to slice it sideways. Bila your pisau is tumpul, it helps a lot. Now that I have sliced my baguette, I'm gonna go ahead and preheat my oven to 220 degrees Celsius for 5 to 10 minutes. This is my tray, so we're gonna Okay, now that we've put all the tomatoes, basil and everything, we're gonna top it off with some cheddar cheese. It's now loaded with cheese, so we're gonna pop it into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so I've taken it out from the oven and I think I have burnt it a little because I was doing something else and I forgot to take it out on time. So let's have a taste. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So crispy, packed with flavors and crunchy. Let the sound speak for itself. Okay guys, so I still have a little bit more to finish. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.